Everybody, this is Christine from Raw Living for Health, and we have another delicious ketogenic green smoothie, avocado smoothie that we're making. And so the recipe is a half of avocado. You just put it in a Vitamix or whatever. You forgot to take the skin off. Okay, first bloopy.
No, it's cut. It was pre-cut.
Oh, okay. All right, so a half of avocado, 3/4 of a cup of coconut milk. And you want it to definitely have the whole fat in it if you're doing keto. 3/4 of a cup of that. And then we're going to be adding 1/4 a cup of almond milk. And we're going to use the unsweetened vanilla because you're trying to watch your carbs on the ketogenic diet, so less carbs are better. And so we're going to do 1/4 a cup of that. And then we have some fresh ginger actually out of our garden that we had grew and grinded into a powder. And I'll show it to you. Smells delicious. So we add a teaspoon of ginger or a half a teaspoon. If you're not used to the taste of ginger, it can be very strong. And this we grew ourselves, so it is very strong. So you just kind of have to guess with that. Then we have a half a teaspoon of turmeric, which we also, here, let me show it the cup. We also grew that ourselves and grind it into a powder. And so we're using a half a teaspoon of that.
Do you want a whole half of that, or just?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. And we do use everything organic that we possibly can find. And we also have our own garden that we grow things in, so it makes it nice just to be able to go out and get it when you need it. Okay, and then we also had purchased some honey from Earth Origins, the health food store, and we've been trying it out, and so it has CBD oil in it. And so that is also a teaspoon of that you take every day. And so we're just going to put it in our smoothie to help sweeten this up a little bit. 1 teaspoon of that. And then we are going to, I want to go ahead and blend it first and see what kind of consistency I have before adding any ice. So I'm going to let him blend that up because I don't really like real thick smoothies. I like mine to be a little smoother.
A smoother smoothie.
So here we go. All right. Let me see. Oh, it still looks a little thick, doesn't it?
I added water to mine.
Yeah. Might want to maybe add a little bit of water. I think the more you run it, the thicker it becomes. So if you don't like it that thick, we add a little bit of filter water to it to thin it out some, because the avocado does make, I just wouldn't blend it too much because that's what makes it thick. Yeah. Whoa! So we're just trying to get the consistency right where it's a smoothie and not, let me see. Oh, perfect. Okay, that looks good.
It's warm though.
Why?
Because I didn't put ice.
Okay. Oh, you know what? We do need to add a little bit of ice because otherwise he just reminded me it's going to be warm. So just maybe a couple ice cubes. Not a whole cup as they say you should use, and I don't. We blended it now, and let's see. Pour it into the cup. And my hubby always does the taste test. Now we're finished, and let me see it. All right, it's got the texture that I like. It's creamy, but not too thick.
Great for St. Patty's Day.
Funny. All right, so now hubby's taking the taste test, and we'll see what he says.
Pretty good.
All right, so it is approved. Thumbs up on the ketogenic smoothie, avocado smoothie. And also, I wanted to talk about this cannabis honey that we had gotten at the health food store the other day. And it has 6 grams of sugar or carbohydrates in it, so that's not too bad. You take 1 teaspoon a day. We just started it a few days ago, so I really can't even, put a review about it on here yet. So I guess I can do a video later on about it. But anyway, that's it. This is the name of the honey, and so thanks for watching.